Humakot ng parangal ang GMA Network sa annual Golden Screen TV Awards na ipinamahagi ng Entertainment Press Society o NPress. Tinanghal na Best Actress in a Drama Series ang primetime queen ng Kapuso Network na si Marian Rivera for her role in the epic series Amaya. Emosyonal ang aktres nang tanggapin ang award.
Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-react kasi sa 7 years ko sa showbiz parang ngayon pa na-recognize yung pag-acting ko. So, Empress, thank you. Thank you, Lord.
Ito ay magsisilbi na dapat lalo kong mahalin yung trabaho ko at magsisilbi itong inspirasyon para mas lalo ko pang galingan sa trabaho ko.
It was a double victory for Dong Yanatics dahil hinirang namang outstanding original reality competition program host si Ding Dong Dantes for Protege, the battle for the big artista break.
Kahit nakakalito ba, pero maraming salamat. It's such a great feeling din pala na makatapos dito. So thank you sa NPress.
Kailangan mag-celebrate.
GMA Network dominated the comedy categories. Wagi bilang outstanding comedy program ang Pepito Manaloto at outstanding gag show ang Bubble Gang. Top acting honors went to Ogie Alcacid for Bubble Gang. Winner din bilang outstanding supporting actress in a comedy program si Sheena Halili for Tweets for My Sweet at si John Fair ang outstanding supporting actor for Pepito Manaloto.
Actor na pala kami. Magandang gabi po. I would like to thank NPress for choosing me to bag the best supporting actress in a comedy. Maraming salamat po.
In the drama category, Neil Ryan Sese took home the award for outstanding supporting actor for Munting Heredera. Samantala, triple winner din ang undisputed noontime leader na Eat Bulaga na kinilala bilang best variety program. Ang Ibida Barkads na sina Ryan Agoncillo at Julia Clarete ang nagwagi bilang best male and female musical or variety hosts.
On behalf of Television Production Exponents, maraming salamat dito sa recognition na to. To God be the glory.
Sa bumubuo po ng NPress, maraming salamat. At buong puso ko nagpapasalamat dahil kada bigay niyo nito, tumataas yung sweldo ko.